Hi, hello everyone, very good evening one and all. Preparing and attempting for the GATE exam is an achievement. Qualifying the GATE exam is a big achievement. Getting a very good rank in the GATE exam is a more achievement, and getting a single digit rank in such GATE exam is a huge achievement. So, all dear friends, are you all ready to attain that single digit rank in the upcoming GATE exam? I am Satya. I will be giving you the complete roadmap for getting this single digit rank in the upcoming GATE exam. Just you can follow this proper strategy and you can just follow the roadmap what I give in this session. Definitely you all can get the single digit rank, dear friends. So without any delay, we will start the session. Before that, I request everybody to please confirm, am I visible and audible clearly or not? My visibility and audibility clear or not? Please confirm in the chat box. Hello Priyanshu, very good evening. Right, so without any delay, let us start the session, dear friends. First of all, whenever you want to achieve some success, there should be proper strategy, dear friends, isn't it? Why? Why strategy is more important? Because the experts says that a vision without strategy remains an illusion. Because you might be aspiring for so much success, you might be having so many goals, so many aspirations, so much vision. I want to become that, I want to become this. May not be just a GATE exam. In your career, in your life, you may want to reach more heights. You may wish to, but if you should reach that height, definitely there should be strategy. When strategy adds to the vision, then it will definitely succeed, or else it will be just a hope, it will be just a wish. And also see this, the experts says that success is 20% skill and 80% strategy. So every one of you are sincerely, seriously preparing for the GATE exam, but why very few are rankers? Because of this. Of course skills vary, but skills matter 20%. How you prepare, how you practice, how you manage your time, how you perform in the exam, all such strategy actually plays a vital role in the result, dear friends. Hope you are getting. Hello 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞 Khan, very good evening. Right. So now if you really want to get a single digit rank in the upcoming GATE 2026 exam, first of all you understand the nature of the examination. Sir, what is there in that? What is to understand about the examination? Because guys, you are all habituated for your academic exams where there will be internals, externals. You might be attempting the descriptive questions, filling the papers, right? But GATE exam is completely a different exam. So understanding the nature means what? You should understand first of all the syllabus. What subjects are there? What subjects are there for the GATE? Particular paper, you may be preparing for CS or DA or even for any other branch, because it is not just specific to CS or DA, dear friends. It can be for any branch. So first of all, try to understand the syllabus and subject wise weightage. I understand subject wise weightage for all subjects is not fixed, it is dynamic, it is rotational, except for aptitude and engineering maths, discrete maths in computer science, except for aptitude in the DA, other subjects weightage is, I know it is completely dynamic. This time DA paper, 2025 DA paper, if you look at, even you, we, every one of our team also got surprised to see mathematics weightage 43 marks in 85. In 85, because I am leaving the aptitude, in 85, 43 marks means, see, 50% weightage is for maths. So, can we expect the same weightage every year, sir? We cannot say that, because the weightage is rotational. But you can actually have certain calculation or certain prediction on the weightage, may not be accurate, but definitely you can have certain prediction on the weightage. So, try to understand the weightage subject wise and type of questions. I believe you all are aware that in the GATE exam there will be 3 type of questions: MCQ, MSQ and NAT. Numerical answer type, multiple choice question, multiple select question, right? And even I found some students who are actually not having the clarity of MSQ. Even just few days before the GATE exam also I found some students asking, sir, for MSQ, if there are 3 correct answers, if I attempt 2 among them, will I be given marks? I have got such queries, dear friends. So, the understanding is very important, so that you will be having some idea how to give the treatment, how to give the attempt to such exam, isn't it? And this is also very important. You should have proper idea, proper eye on this negative marking. We know for MCQ there is negative marking. For MSQ and NAT there is no negative marking. For every 3 1 mark questions you do wrong, 1 mark will be deducted. For every 3 2 marks questions that you make wrong, 2 marks will be deducted. Means 1/3 and 2/3. So, please first try to go through the syllabus of your paper, try to understand what are the subjects we have, what is the probable weightage of each subject, right? And yes, this is very, very important. Once you go through the syllabus, just knowing the subject names is not sufficient, dear friends. You know there is programming data structure, you know there is an algorithm, theory of computation, compiler design, DBMS, CO, operating system, computer network, digital logic. You know just the names of the subjects. Or in the DA paper, Python programming, data structures, algorithms, data warehousing, databases, machine learning, artificial intelligence. You just know the subjects, that is not enough. You should understand the breadth and depth of the concepts, because you are preparing for the GATE exam. So, in that boundaries you should prepare, dear friends. Because sometimes what happens now, some concepts are very, very interesting. So, if you just stick to that concept and digging that concept, every subject is endless. Every subject is like an ocean. So, if you keep digging, then you will be spending majority of the time only to that subject or only to that concept. What about the rest of the syllabus? Right? So, we are not here to do research. We are not here to get a patent on so and so topic or concept. We are here to prepare for the GATE exam, attempt the GATE exam very well and get a single digit rank in the GATE exam. So you should be, your preparation should be, your practice should be in the gate boundary. So please understand the breadth and depth of the concepts. And you also should have an idea about what are the mostly asked questions, topics, important or frequently asked topics. Why, sir? Does it mean we should not prepare any other? I am not telling that. I am telling this because if you know what are the most important concepts or frequently asked topics, you can do little more practice so that you can perform little more accurate, little more fast in those concepts. You will be able to give the confident performance on those questions attempt. Because I can just give you an example. In programming, recursion is undoubted topic that you see in the GATE exam. From recursion topic, almost 99% of the times you will get a question in the GATE exam. So when you know that, why don't you practice that topic very well? Why don't you explore that topic and practice all different possible models? Right? So in machine learning, in AI, or in computer science, if I take in computer networks, in operating systems, in every subject there are such most weightage or most important topics. So please do more focus on those topics. I am not telling leave the other topics. I am not telling that. You should prepare all the syllabus, all the concepts, but little more practice on such important topics. And while you prepare, try to identify what are the strong and weak subjects. This will not be same for everybody. It depends from one to one, isn't it? Like if you ask me, sir, what are the weak subjects for you? I say undoubtedly, blindly I can say DBMS is a very weak subject for me, because I never understand that subject properly. Even while I study, even now also. So DBMS subject will actually is like a nightmare subject for me. You could have some other subjects like that. So by identifying these strong and weak subjects, what you can do, you can give your maximum effort on the weak subjects to your possibility. Whatever you try, you are unable to understand some concept, you are unable to gain some confidence, then at least you will be cautious. While writing the GATE exam, you will be cautious. Arey yaar, this particular topic I am not good at, I am not confident it. So let us not take the risk. If it is MCQ, let us not take the risk of attempting it, because there is a negative marking. Right? So in two ways it helps you. Weak subject, if you identify, you can put more time, more effort on that subject. And if you can't prepare well also, at least in the exam you can give a cautious attempt. And you should have the better idea about model of questions. From this particular topic, question can be prepared in this way, that way, this way. Like this, the question can be twisted. Like this, there can be a trap. Like this, the question can come from this topic. A theory question can be framed from this topic. This particular topic will be more of conceptual. Numerical question possibility is very less. Like this, when you get some insight, then your preparation, your practice will be aligned in that direction, isn't it? What, dear friends? Does it make sense for all of you? Whatever I am telling, does it make some sense or not? Hello, 𝐂𝐨𝐮𝐫𝐬𝐞 Khan. Meran Khan, see, in the Parakram batch, I am teaching Python. It will start from 3rd March in the Vijay batch, sorry. In the Vijay batch, my Python subject will start from 3rd March, and in the future, whatever the subjects are allotted to me, definitely I will be teaching. Okay, so in the ahead future, sir, will you teach Python? Means undoubtedly yes. Why not? Why not? I will be teaching my subjects. Okay, so don't worry about that. And what subjects I teach, what subjects others teaches, that is definitely management decision. Management always will think student centric, so they will be allocating the subjects as per that, so please do not worry. Okay, Saurabh, aayega beta, it will come, it will come. So once you understand the syllabus properly, now this is the time for you to prepare the timetable, study plan. You can call it as study plan or you can call it as timetable. So personalized timetable. Why I am telling it as personalized timetable? Because it can't be imitated, it can't be copied. Because your free time, my free time can be different. Your active time, my active time can be different. Your energy level, my energy level can be different. Your commitment, my commitment can be different. Your household situations and my household situations can be different. Facilities can be different. So the timetable can't be copied. You should have your personalized timetable. Dear Melody Vibes, this is a generic session. This helps for all the branches. Okay. Now, while you prepare the personalized timetable, please make these 4 points in your mind. Okay. One is allocate hours for each activity. When I say personalized timetable, just for the namesake, just for the pride sake, just for the show put up, don't say 12 hours study time. Who told you? Who told you? Who told you every day you can prepare 12 hours? You know that that is a lie. You know that you are bluffing. You can't prepare 12 hours every day. Yes, going to the college, working in the office, traveling, doing the assessments, attempting the exams, all these, attending the live classes. How you can prepare 12 hours? How you can prepare 10 hours? It is a bluff. Then for whom you are preparing the timetable? Whom to impress? You need not to impress anybody. That should be your own timetable. So you just simply for the namesake you prepare the timetable, doesn't work. So try to allocate hours for each activity, for your relaxation, for your travel, for your college or for your office time, for the food, for the sleep, for the entertainment or for the exercise. For all kind of activities, try to allocate time. And that should be the feasible plan. Feasible plan is, again I am telling, when I say timetable, don't say I will be preparing 8 hours a day. Please check your feasibility. Really 8 hours are with you in the day? So it should be followable. You should be able to follow that. Accordingly, down to earth. Just think down to earth. Think what is possible, what is not possible. Accordingly, you prepare your timetable. You need not to impress anybody, dear friends. And once you are done with the preparation, please show some commitment. Please show some commitment, dear friends. Show some commitment. Because that is prepared by you as per your availability, as per your energy level, as per your interest. And for you, you prepared it. So when you can't stick to your timetable, how how the rank or success will follow you. So you should be little committed. Okay, little at least, okay, plus or minus 5% deviation anyone can understand. But try to show some commitment. And while you prepare the timetable, this is very, very important. Show some short-term goals. Okay, ultimate goal is single digit rank in the GATE exam. Very good. But in this journey, in this roadmap, have some short-term goals. Like in this 30 days, I should complete this subject. And do some self-appraisal also. Here, in the current world, very few people will be appraising you on your success. So, how you have to motivate? Self-appraisal. When you can reach the goal, array, I thought I should finish this particular subject in 1 month, I could do in 25 days. Sabash, go ahead. So, like that you should self-motivate, self-appraise. Okay. So, keep these short-term goals like monthly or weekly or bi-weekly or 2 months I should complete this, next 1 month I should complete that, like that. Okay. Now, for your idea, I will show some sample time chart. Okay, sample time chart. How you have to prepare. I am not telling you follow that. As per that, just like that, you can change that as per your convenience. So, a sample time chart here, see, I have brought. Suppose March month is there. This Feb month is almost over, right? So, leave it. Now, March month. In the March month, every day, how you can plan? See, you may be a working professional or you may be college going student. So, 9 hours solidly will go for your college or office, right? Work. So, let us say it is from 8 to 5, okay? Just it is a sample. Your timings may vary, I understand. Just for sample, I am keeping it. And for your personal works, getting ready, having food and all, see, 1 hour in the morning, 1 hour in the night. So, minimum 2 hours will go for that. And you should have some physical exercise or refreshment. This is very, very important because your body should be healthy, then only your mind can be healthy. Your body will support, should support, then only you can think actively. So, for that this is very much needed. So, let us say 1 hour. This time duration you can change as per your wish. Okay, just as a sample I am projecting it. So, let us say in the evening or morning is feasible for you, you can change the time to morning, 1 hour or half an hour in the morning, half an hour in the evening, something like that. 1 hour you can just keep for your refreshment, and 7 hours sleep, 7 hours sleep, and study, you see, 4 hours. 4 hours. You might be surprised. Arey sir, all the other are telling prepare 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. You are just telling 4 hours. Please have patience. Now, as it is just starting, you have more 11 months to go. As of now, 4 hours productive time for the study will suffice, will be sufficient. And whatever you be strict, however you be strict, definitely some time goes waste, maybe in the chit chat, that, this. So, let us say 1 hour is getting wasted in some means. So, in the 24 hours, if you really sit and plan, definitely like this, you will find time for your refreshment, your food and personal works, your office or college, sleep, everything you can plan. Okay, like this you sit whenever your mind is fresh. You sit ideally. You don't take anyone's help, because who knows better about you? None other than yourself better. You only know what is your house family situation, what are your commitments, when you are active, what you can do, what you cannot do. You know your abilities, no one else. So don't take anyone's help in this. You sit for half an hour, just half an hour. Think wisely, think peacefully. Like this, you prepare some timetable. And this you can vary monthly if required. Because in the initial months, yes, you can give 4 hours time for your study. But as the GATE exam approaches, yes, your study time should be increased. Now, I will come to that point. Sir, how I can increase the study time, sir? 24 hours is done. I will tell you. Okay. So, I hope it is clear for everyone. I hope this sample time chart looks good. Sir, really, if we also think we can also prepare something like this, which is possible, which is a feasible plan. Isn't it? Isn't it? Now, monthly what you can do. So, I have connected with the expert faculties, our lead Goti sir and all our expert faculty. While I prepare this, I have took all the inputs. Okay, it is not just my ideology. I have taken all experts' decisions, all experts' advices. So, if you feel yes, it is good, you can definitely follow, dear friends. So, the point is, from March to August, March, April, May, June, July, August, 6 months. The early 6 months, 4 hours minimum time you give, provided when I say 4 hours, it is not just for the count. It is not just for the count. Productive time. 8 hours you open the book, 6 hours you are thinking here and there, thinking about your Insta post, Telegram post, Twitter post, thinking about the web series, thinking about XYZ. What is the use? 8 hours you sit, 10 hours you sit, 24 hours you sit, what is the use? So when I say 4 hours, productively 4 hours time. So what you should do in this early 6 months? Concept learning. Every subject, every concept, first you learn. Without learning the concept, don't be in hurry to go for the PYQ. Don't be in hurry. First learn the concepts of every subject, every concept. Without leaving any concept, please prepare, please learn, please understand. And while you prepare the concept, this is very important. Many people don't do this. When you do it simultaneously, your work will be easy, your effort will be less, guys. If you sit separately to prepare the short notes, that short notes can't be effective short notes. So, what is the good way to prepare the short notes? While you learn the concept, while you prepare the concept, when you understand the concept, you will be understanding, you will be able to extract the essence of the concept. Means the important points, the backbone points of that particular concept. That should be in your short notes. Not all the derivations, all the concept. The important essence of the concept should be in your short notes. So when you can prepare it? While preparing the subject. Okay, so while you learn the concept, simultaneously, साथ में prepare the short notes. And please do practice PYQ once that concept is over, or you may plan in such a way once 3-4 concepts are over, you can attempt the PYQs. That is up to you. But make sure you attempt PYQs. Once the subject is completed I do not actually recommend that, because for complete subject to prepare maybe 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time usually someone will take, right? So in these 2-3 weeks you may forget some concepts, you may lose some confidence, you may not have that much clarity on some concepts, isn't it? So please do understand that after each concept, if possible, or if that concept has no such good number of PYQs, you can prepare 2-3 concepts and together you can go for the PYQ practice on those concepts. Okay, and this is for our PW students. So as you attempt our course classes, please do attempt the DPPs and weekly tests on timely basis and do this periodic revision. Means every Sunday or every Saturday, some 4 hours, one day 4 hours, or one day, a half day in a week, you just keep for the revision, not to learn some new concepts, only for the revision. So do that periodically, isn't it? Okay, it is not like after 2 months you revise, after 4 months you revise, no. At least bi-weekly you should revise, dear friends, bi-weekly. If possible weekly I suggest, if not possible bi-weekly, at least revise the concepts that you have learned so far. Okay, so in these 6 months, make sure you are giving 4 hours of minimum time, that too productive time, and in that 6 months when you pick up any subject, this is what you have to do. For each and every subject, this is what the bucket of activities you should do. And now September, October, November, by this time, by November, make sure you finish all subjects completion. Okay, so you plan in such a way that by November you prepare all the subjects. In the worst case, one subject you may leave in the worst case, but make sure all subjects, if not possible at least 90% of the syllabus you are completing by November. And these 3 months, make sure you are getting some 6 hours of time, because as you approach the GATE exam, some priorities you should change. You may need to sacrifice some things here and there. Okay, so whether you avail your office leaves, whether you avail that benefit of 70% or 80% attendance is enough in the college. If you think you will get the plans, okay, I need not to tell you, I need not to give you all those ideas. So somehow you make sure you are getting some 6 hours of time in this September, October, November. In that time, make sure you are completing all the syllabus, because in this 6 months you might have prepared, let's say some 6 subjects or 7 subjects out of 10 or out of 12. So the remaining subjects you make sure you are finishing in this period, and this is the time when you can start the TWTs, SWTs, multi-subject tests. Sir, where they are? On our PW platform, everything is there, beta. Okay, so you can attempt these topic wise tests, subject wise test, multi subject test. उज़ैर मेरा खान कुछ IIT में 6 से चल जाता है, बट ओल्ड IITs में 8 और 8 अबव ही चाहिए. अच्छा राम, you got 6 CGPA, can I get IIT with good gate rank? Good gate rank, see, single digit gate rank or below 100 there is a possibility, but most of the top IITs seek CGPA above 8 or sometimes above 7. So it vary from IIT to IIT, but on the top IITs, top 7 IITs, let's say, I think you should have very good gate rank to overcome your CGPA. Okay, chalo. Now, in this 3 months of time, you can start your workbook practice or test series practice, because by that time PYQ practice you will be doing, DPP weekly test practice you will be doing, isn't it? And again, don't leave this. Periodic revision you have to do. Periodic revision you should always do. So don't leave that revision. Okay. Now, December month, increase little more. Okay. And mostly you may get the semester break during that time, maybe in the November or December. Okay. Just you can adjust here and there as per your college, as per your exams and all. So increase little more study time, and this time you practice or attempt the PYQs once again, resolve DPPs and weekly tests. Revision now, till now you have revised in any way, but from December you are not supposed to revise again starting from the first page of the lesson lecture schedule, lecture plan or lecture notes. You should refer short notes. So the short notes that you prepare this time will help you here, and you can start your full length mock test in the December month. Okay, if you can start in November, well and good, but at least make sure you are attempting the full length mock test in the December month. And now the last 1 month, January, you should be engaged with the full length mock test. January, you should completely focus on this time management through full length mock test. Okay, and short notes only, not complete lecture notes, Okay, music in veins, that's why we have given you the Khazana access also, I believe, right? Okay, if that is the case, at least by November, except one subject, all the other subjects will be finished, right? So you can complete those subjects by November. That's what I told you. In the worst case, 90% of the syllabus you can be ready, right? Now, yes, this is a very interesting doubt question everybody will get. Sir, in what order we should prepare the subjects? Again, I suggest if you should not take the burden, extra burden you don't want to take, please do prepare in your course classes sequence. If you are enrolled the paid batches, if you are enrolled our paid batch, okay, you are not our PW student, still a student is student for us. We want every student to get succeed. Okay, so in that aspect we are very transparent. Any student you may prepare from any source, no issue, but we want you also to get succeeded. So if you have enrolled any paid course, you don't want to take extra burden, please go with the course classes sequence. In what order your subjects are happening there, in that order you can go along. No sir, I am preparing by my own. Then weightage sequence. You may go with weightage sequence. Like some subjects are having more weightage, some subjects are having less weightage, then you can go with that order. Or else you can go with your interest. Like you like maths very well, you like programming very well, then as per your interest you can plan the subjects, because any subject is important, every subject has its own weightage, every mark is important, right? So we cannot actually degrade some subject or upgrade some subject. Maybe weightage is here and there because of that discipline, because of that paper, importance of that specialization. But every mark is important, every subject is important in my point of view. So I don't give you some fixed sequence, you go with the course subjects, course classes sequence, or else weightage sequence, or else as per your interest. But make sure by November you are finishing maximum. Okay? I hope I am clear with this. I hope I am clear with this. Okay? But when you are preparing, please do consider aptitude. Usually some students have less corner, least they will have some less impression, or they do not include general aptitude into their bucket. But guys, general aptitude 15 marks, 10 questions are also important, and they are in fact with less preparation or maybe with sudden preparation you can actually score 100%. And our Amulya Ratan sir, expert sir is there. If you just follow his classes, it would be even more easy, right? See, for electrical, the subject sequence C, that's what I am telling. I am being very generic. I am not here branch specific, music in veins. In electrical, your course, there will be a planner, right? You may be given a planner. Which subject, then which subject, then which subject. As per that order you go. You prepare some subject, new subject, there some other classes are happening. So you feel difficult, you feel little overloaded. So if that doesn't should happen, then it is better to go with the course subject sequence. Okay. Now, yes, this is again one more doubt you will have. Sir, what to do during semester exams? During semester exams, you give more priority for your semester exam preparation only. Maybe you just say 80%, 20%, if possible. So 80% for your sem exam preparation, 80% of the time, 80% of the time you give for your sem exam preparation only, because that is also important. And 20% of the time you may give for your gate preparation. Like maybe you will definitely get some week offs in middle. Then you can just go through the happening classes maybe at 2x speed. You may just note down some important formulae or important points if possible. Or else you can just do revision. If you can't follow the regular classes, at least you can do revision of whatever happened, so that you are in connect with the subject. Okay. Ram, honestly telling, you can just follow our classes, because every expert faculty refer multiple textbooks, multiple standard books, and will deliver you the content. So all your work we are doing for you. So if you just follow our classes, undoubtedly you can get good rank. Okay. Now, what to do during semester breaks? What to do? More focus, 100% on gate preparation, because it is a break time. So whatever you lagged, during your semester exam, in the break you can cover, or in the week offs you can cover, or in the festival holidays time you can cover. Okay. So one day you could not prepare 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, only you got 1 hour time. Okay, don't demotivate. Don't demotivate. Try to compensate it. Try to compensate it. So try to do compensation for the lost hours. Whenever you get time. Whenever you get time. Okay? And how to do revision? As I said, you should do periodic revision. Not you revise after 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, all of a sudden you want to revise. No, that is not a good idea. At least bi-weekly. At least bi-weekly means every 15 days, 1 half day you keep for the revision. Okay? And try to revise through short notes. In the last 3 months especially the last 3 months, you should revise through short notes, dear friends. Okay? Now, what about coding, sir? We are also interested for the placements. See, if you really think, every activity has time. If you really think, maybe you can say on the week of half day, you keep for the coding. And however, please understand, when you are preparing for the GATE, in the GATE exam, you have programming, you have data structures, you have algorithms, you have operating systems, you have computer networks, you have AI, you have ML, you have DBMS. Are these not important for the placements? Are these will not be important or asked in the interviews? Yes. So, you are doing GATE preparation means this also helps indirectly for your placement. Indirectly for your placement. So, you are more interested in coding, definitely you can do if you really wish to do that. Like in the week of time, some half day you can keep, or some 4 hours, 3 hours exclusively for only coding practice. Definitely you can do that. Or if doesn't work, every day half an hour, just one problem you solve. Every day one problem you solve. While you travel in the bus, you copy one problem in the notebook before you start to your college. In the metro or in the bus, if possible, you try to make a code for it. Once you reach your college, in your device, laptop or device, maybe in the laboratory, you just try to execute it. So that is what, if you really wish to do that, you will get the way. Okay? So you need not to sacrifice your coding just because you are preparing for the GATE. That is what I mean to say. And now, most importantly, I would like to conclude with these takeaways, dear friends. Key takeaways I can say. Never ignore aptitude as it is scoring. Never ignore PYQ practice, workbook, test series practice. And please do this attempt, subject-wise test, topic-wise test, multi-subject test, DPP, weekly test, that are good sources for your practice. So, do include them in your practice. Not just PYQs are enough. Okay? And full-length mock tests are mandate to attempt as much as possible. At least try to make sure you are attempting 12 or 15 full-length mock tests, because that improves your time management skills. Okay? And short notes preparation helps in revision, as I already told you. Periodic revision, why I am telling bar, because it helps to remember the concepts for long time. And try to do pipelined preparation, means one subject you have completed. While you prepare the second subject, revise first subject. While you prepare third subject, revise first subject and second subject. Like that, you do that pipelined preparation and revision. Okay? And always try to stay positive and motivated, guys. This is very important. Sometimes we could not do what we have thought of, what we have planned. Okay, but be positive, be motivated. Okay, don't entertain any negative thoughts into your brain. Don't try to be a part of negative environment. You feel something, negative thoughts are coming, negative vibes are there in some places with somebody, try to ignore them. Okay, and self-discipline, dedication, commitment along with your hard work or smart works gives you success. Just you are ready to work, but whenever you sit, you are studying for 12 hours and later 3 days you are not at all studying. No, little consistency required, little discipline is required, dedication, commitment. At least you can't be 100%, no one is 100% pure and perfect. At least try to show the commitment, the dedication, the consistency as much as possible. And yes, always maintain your body healthy by having proper food, by having proper sleep, because that will definitely add strength to your success. Strength to your success, because strength to your preparation. Okay, so this is what I would like to keep in front of you as a roadmap to get a single digit rank. If you really can implement these, I can strongly say that, confidently say that you are in the single digit rank race. Okay. Surya Karthik, I already told you beta, after the class you can just go through the recording. And please do remember this, dear friends. This is a very inspiring quote everyone should follow. Love the life you live, or live the life you love. You are chosen to prepare for the GATE exam. So prepare with the love, means prepare with the interest. Prepare because you have chosen it, not forcibly. No, you are doing it forcibly. Quit and do whatever you want. Without interest, you do anything for any time, you never succeed. So as you have chosen the GATE preparation, GATE rank, PSUs or IITs, you want to reach there. So try to love your journey. Try to love your journey, because in the journey hurdles will come. Take that, plan how to overcome them. So don't get demotivated. Okay, that's all, guys. I hope this session has given you more better insight how you can get a single digit rank, or how you can get a very good GATE rank in this 11 months time, and what you have to do, how you have to plan in these 11 months. I hope it is more clear now. So do it, plan it, execute it, get succeeded. So all dear upcoming single digit rankers, I wish you all the very best. With this, I would like to close the session. Thank you so much, everybody. Dear Om, you have appeared in the GATE. Okay, I have completed about 60% of the GATE syllabus. So how should I do now? Yeah, see, 60% of the GATE syllabus you have prepared means it is good enough. Now you can go with SWT, TWT, reattempt the PYQs, reattempt the DPP's weekly tests, do periodic revision, start the remaining 40%. And now you will have more time for the practice and mock tests, isn't it? Thank you everybody. Wish you all the very best. See you in the next session. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Good night, everyone. Bye bye. Jai Hind.